Welcome to the Printrunner instructional video detailing how to use the EPS template guide file in Adobe InDesign CS4. Using these template files is highly recommended in order to ensure that your document passes our file preparation requirements. They include guidelines that help you set your text and images to include the correct bleed and safety area. In this example, I'm going to create a 5x7 mailer postcard by creating a new document to exact size and then placing the template guide file in a separate layer. On the Printrunner website, click on the link for the product you are ordering. On that product page, navigate to the template link and click on it. The link will take you directly to the set of templates for that product. Click on the link for the EPS template under the Illustrator column or right-click to download onto your desktop. Extract the zipped template file by double-clicking or right-clicking and opening in an extracting program such as WinZip or StuffIt. Start off by going to the File menu and choose New, then Document. Enter the number of pages or sides. It's best to leave facing pages unchecked unless you're doing a crossover spread for a booklet or a foldover. Enter the width and height. Leave columns at 1, and with the margins field, it's always good to use 0.125 or 1/8 inch, since the line that is drawn can also represent the safety area margin. If the bleed and slug fields are not showing, click the More Options button to expand them. Enter again 0.125 or 1/8 inch in each of the bleed fields. Slug can remain at 0, and then you can click OK. You will see that you now have a new 2-page blank document with the outer red line representing the bleed edge for any background color or images, the black line representing the cut edge, and the purple line representing the safety area margin for critical text. Next, go to the Window menu and choose Layers. Right-click on the default layer, layer 1, and choose Layer Options in the drop-down menu. Rename the layer to Guides or Guidelines. Go back to the Layer palette and choose the icon for a new layer. Right-click on the new layer to bring up the options and rename this layer Artwork. Drag the artwork layer below the guide layer. With the guideline layer selected, go to the File menu and choose Place. In the Place window, navigate to the template you downloaded and choose the front side, if applicable, and click Open. You notice a small thumbnail in place of your cursor now. Click in an area on the page. You'll notice that the template file drops in. Click and drag the template image so the lines in the image line up with the InDesign guidelines. If you set your InDesign bleeds and margins to 0.125 or 1/8 inch like stated previously, the template image should snap almost perfectly to the InDesign page. Go back to the File, Place menu and grab the back template and place on page 2 of the InDesign file, if applicable. If you would like to see a more crisp preview of the placed images, go to the View menu and choose Display Performance High Quality. You will see the images will sharpen up now. You are now ready to start designing your artwork. Before you start, if you like the templates to not be so prominent, you can click on each template image, go to the Object menu, choose Effects, Transparency. Change the opacity percentage to a level that is comfortable with you, such as 25%. Check the preview box if you want to see the result before clicking the OK button. Once you've decided, you'll see that the Place Template images appear to be watermarked, which will make visibility better for designing your layout. Now would be the time to go to the Layer palette, lock the guide layer, select the artwork layer, and start designing your layout. When you are done designing your layout, go to the Layers palette and delete the guide layer. Finally, go to the File menu and choose Save As. Although it is okay to submit your file packaged as an InDesign file with supporting links and fonts, we recommend you choose Export to PDF format, as it will embed all your fonts and graphics. If you do decide to export to PDF, please see the video clip on how to export to a print-ready PDF from InDesign. Thanks for watching this clip. I hope it was very informative. If you have any other questions or issues, you can visit the Printrunner website to view more of our help topics. Thank you.